If you just got your brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max and you want serious protection, you have to check out the UB Grip case from SUPCASE. The UB Grip case is grippy with textured side grips. There's raised lips on the front to protect your screen and raised lips on the rear with individual lens cutouts to protect your camera. It can survive drops up to 15 feet high thanks to the MIL STD810H rating. A built-in kickstand allows for convenient vertical or horizontal viewing, and it stows away quick and flush, letting you use Magsafe charging and Magsafe accessories thanks to the ultra-strong magnetic hold thanks to the N52 strength magnets. There's also protective button covers and you still get full capacitive touch control of the camera button. But there's one small quirk to be aware of, so let's take a closer look at a big thanks to SUPCASE for sending this out for review. In the box, we have the case and some information about the camera control button. The SUPCASE UB Grip case comes in at around 66 grams, so you are adding a little bit of weight to your phone. Now, I have the black version, but it actually comes in a ton of different color options. We have this kind of semi-clear or kind of frosted or matte type of finish on the rear here, and it's mostly made of a TPU, PC, and aluminum alloy build. The camera plateau is pretty much fully covered, and we have individual lens cutouts for the lenses as well, and the raised lip or bezel on here is about 1.5 millimeters high. Now we also have the built-in aluminum alloy kickstand, and this just comes out. You can use this horizontally or vertically, and then once you snap it into place, it sits nice and flush. And this is also going to allow for Magsafe charging and Magsafe accessories. The bottom of the case has cutouts for the speaker grill, and you can also run a lanyard loop as well. Now there is also a built-in USB-C cover or port cover to prevent, dust buildup. You can move that out of the way, charge your phone, and then just kind of snap that back into place. There's raised textured grips on the right and left side to help improve grip when holding the phone, and we also have aluminum button covers on the right and left side as well. The camera button has a special button cover that still lets you have touch capacitive controls without any issues. The inside of the phone shows the airbag corners. We also have button covers to prevent scratching your phone's frame. Installing the iPhone 17 Pro Max is really easy, so we'll just start at the top and then just press in, and we're done. The phone feels good in the hand, so it doesn't feel like I've added too much bulk. I can definitely feel that it's a little bit heavier, but you can see it's very easy for me to just kind of rotate the phone and manipulate it thanks to these super grippy side corners. And the iPhone 17 Pro Max in silver just looks fantastic in this case, especially with the frosted or kind of see-through back. You can still see the phone's original color. Looking at the bottom, so the speaker grill is completely unobstructed, and if I want easy access to the Type-C port, that just easily retracts out of the way and snaps back into place. Note that I do have a screen protector already applied on the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and the case went on without any issue, so you can definitely run screen protectors on here. The front screen bezel is about 2 millimeters thick, so if you place the phone screen side down, you don't have to worry about it getting scratched. Even with the thick bezels all around, it's no problem just going and swiping from any direction. The buttons also remain fully responsive without any type of issues. And to demo the touch capacitive button, so I'll launch the camera, and you can see as I go ahead and swipe through, I can switch between the different type of focal lengths or focal ranges without any issue. The rear camera lens has a raised lip or bezel that goes all the way around to prevent any type of scratches if you were to place the phone camera side down. You can still add lens protectors up to 0.5 millimeters or less in edge thickness, but do note due to the precise and close fitment of the lens protectors, you'll have to be a little bit careful if you were ever to remove the case to ensure they don't come off. I also noticed that the frosted or matte finish is fairly good at resisting fingerprints, because you can see if I do it on the front screen here, it's leaving quite a bit of smudges, but on the back, it's really not showing much at all, which is great to see. I'll do a quick wobble test so the phone is flat on the table, and as I tap on any part of the screen, there's zero type of wobble, which is fantastic. I dropped the phone from about 3.5 feet high, camera side down and screen side down, and there was zero damage. Now this is rated for drops up to 15 feet high thanks to that MIL STD810H rating, the airbag corners, and the thick front and rear bezels. Thanks to the N52 magnets in the kickstand, we have a very secure hold when using Magsafe charging and Magsafe accessories. So the small quirk I mentioned at the start of the video is just that anytime you're using Magsafe charging or Magsafe accessories, the kickstand will have a tendency to kind of pop out slightly due to the very strong magnetic hold whenever you're detaching a Magsafe accessory. Using tap to pay or NFC also works flawlessly. The built-in kickstand is also easy to just kind of pop right out. You could go ahead and use the phone either horizontally or vertically, and you could see it's rock solid stable. Even with me banging on the desk, it's not gonna fall over. And when you're done using the kickstand, you could just pop it right back down. So if you want protection you can count on for your iPhone 17 Pro Max, the UB Grip case from SUPCASE gives you strong drop protection up to 15 feet thanks to the airbag corners, thick front and rear bezels for your screen and camera lens. You retain full Magsafe charging even with the built-in kickstand for convenient horizontal or vertical viewing, and there's zero wobble. It's a fantastic case overall, so if you'd like to pick up your very own UB Grip case, I'll leave links down below along with a coupon code DCT so you can get 10% off your order. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing because I'll have way more case review videos coming soon, and also check out some of my past case reviews as well. Maybe you'll like this video next and check out some of my other tech videos because outside of phone cases, I also review earbuds, headphones, keyboards, mice, and way more, and I really hope you'll join me in my next video soon.